morning, everybody. Beautiful day to fly today, and I've got some friends and family. This is Zachy. Zach, who works with me. My sisters are in the back. Y'all say hi.
Hi.
And this is their first flight. Can you believe that? This whole time, so I'm gonna make sure that I'm on my best behavior today, so they're comfortable. But we're just doing a flight around Atlanta, kind of like a tour flight, and we're gonna rendezvous back here. Should be about 30 minutes to an hour. Have you flown out of here before?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
A while ago.
Today is actually pretty calm.
Oh yeah, let's check in the weather.
Or maybe I'm actually, what I mean is like traffic.
Oh yeah.
But I might have spoken too soon because it gets pretty busy. So I'm just setting to go there, but we're not actually stopping there. Like I said, we're just gonna climb and face that direction and kind of get out of the flying traffic. So we don't want to be in the way of anyone. And then what I typically do is I put this screen on traffic. And guys, please also be on the look if you see anything coming towards us. That'd be great. And I should let you know this is an experimental plane. It's not certified by the FAA, but it's a safe airplane. And we do have a parachute on board.
How many do you have on board?
Just one.
Oh,
But it's attached. It's attached. It's attached to the entire plane.
November 661, Mike Golf, Gwinnett Tower.
Morning, 661 Mike Golf, Horton Short 25 for Northwest departure. I'm trying to leave before that.
Number 661, Mike Golf, Gwinnett Tower, you hear me?
I can hear you loud and clear. Can you hear me?
I heard you the first time I gave you your departure clearance. I didn't get an acknowledgement, so you are cleared for takeoff. Runway 25, proceed on course.
All right, 25 clear for takeoff, proceed on course. 1 Mike Golf. Are you all ready?
Ready.
All right, our engines look good. We're heavy today, so I'm taking note of that. All right.
Woo.
Engines alive.
Woo.
Airspeed's alive. All right. Keep it down for a little bit. Let's go fly.
All right.
Trim.
Why is your sister holding onto the chair?
Yep, she's okay. So this is what I was concerned about, the bumps. Don't mind it. Okay. But we'll get to Clara. But this is not even bad, trust me. Oh, we'll just keep our climb going.
I wish I could climb like this.
Really?
Yeah, we're at like.
I mean, we're doing 1,000 feet a minute, even though we're
fully packed.
Yeah. I turn right a little bit.
Toby's like frozen.
Are you okay?
I'm wonderful. You know, Zach, she's a jet setter. She travels a lot, like a whole lot.
Really?
Yeah.
Gonna lower the nose a little bit.
I just want to say, even from like up in the sky, Atlanta is still not cute. It's very cute. No, it is not.
Atlanta is a beautiful state.
A bunch of bush.
Atlanta is a beautiful state.
No, I disagree.
Alright, we'll keep at this heading for now.
So how far are we up now? Like how many feet?
We're at 2,000, going to 2,300.
Okay.
And don't mind the bumps.
Somebody want to hold my hand?
That belly chair.
Alright, let's keep it sterile for now. When we get to our cruise, y'all can talk more.
Okay.
Departure, good morning, November 661 Mike Golf.
661, Mike Golf, was it?
Yes, that's 661 Mike Golf, good morning. I'd like to request flight following.
I don't have time for you right now.
Oh my god, you saw how rude that was?
Yeah.
Before Echo Hotel traffic, 12 o'clock in a mile, westbound 2,400.
Did you hear how rude that was?
Yeah,
Wow.
we're going to level here at 3,400 feet, 1,000 feet below. If we continue down, we're going to get an RA.
There's traffic right.
They'll be below us.
I see him right there. Alright, let's level up right here for now.
Number 4 Echo Hotel, sounds like you need to have your equipment adjusted because that's our minimum.
Yeah, I'm not going to go 500 feet near an airplane, sorry.
Well, you will if I get you near somebody else, so there.
I'm not going to argue with you, sir. We're just not going to go and descend.
You're hearing all of this, right?
That's
This is
crazy.
crazy.
Wow.
Only in Georgia. Only in Georgia have I experienced.
Is that professional?
5,000 to 200 Dominus speed.
Oracle Hotel, traffic's behind you now, no factor, just going to maintain 3,000, report the airport, 1 o'clock, 7 miles.
Okay, 3,000, airport's inside, 724, Echo Hotel.
Oracle Hotel, cleared visual approach, 23 right, contact Peachtree Tower, 120.9er.
Clear visual 3 right, over to tower 724,
Alright, just
Echo
look
Hotel.
out for traffic.
Number 66 Delta, turn left, heading 275. 275.
Alright, we got a guy to our left. I'm looking for the one on the right. Just look on the right for me.
Yeah.
I'll climb to 405. Alright, we are in the Bravo, so I gotta be careful now.
What's
Alright,
the
guys.
shelf?
Huh?
What's the Bravo shelf above us? Is it-
5,000.
Okay.
So I want to be between 4,000 and 4,500.
Yeah.
Line approach, Plata 681, Gulf Hotel 6,000.
681 Golf Hotel, line approach, expect visual approach, runway 3 right, flighting 340, descend to maintain 4,000.
Heading 340, descend 4,000, expect
Why
visual
were the
3
guys
right,
talking
681
like
Gulf
that to each
Hotel.
other, Michael?
Huh?
Why were they talking like that to each
Because
other?
they're rude as hell. Like, this, I'm telling you, only in, like, sometimes when you hear our tower talk, the way he talks to people, like, people don't like coming to LZU.
Oh yeah.
66941, if you're looking for flight following
The tower is well known for...
We got the traffic below us down there.
Gotcha.
They're going the other way, yeah.
Alright, thank
Is he abrasive or something?
Huh?
Is he abrasive or something?
It's rude. You didn't hear all
Yeah,
that?
he's
No, I
very...
did not.
He's very grandpa-like.
Oh, okay.
Great Delta, Lima, turn
I
right,
didn't hear
090.
anything.
Right,
Oh, no, I heard everything. I was like, wait, is this
I
professional?
still have that traffic.
November 66 Delta, descend to maintain 3,000.
Delta's out of 400,000.
I always find it interesting that there's traffic in the air. I'm like, it's so big. The sky's so big. Like,
Look at that, yeah. There's a...
Oh,
that.
yeah.
Number 8 Delta,
Your
Lima, turn
head
right,
is
heading
in the way,
160.
Pay
though.
attention to your side, girl. Pay
But your
attention.
side is more fun. My side is like bushes.
Let
There's
me know
no
if y'all
water.
get hot. I'll put the heat on now.
Number 1 Golf
Looking
Hotel,
fine
turn
one.
left, heading 290.
Where?
290,
On the
1 Gulf
mountain?
Hotel.
Ooh. Aw, the river. Oh, you can't see the river.
Well, I have water now. Never mind.
Number 8 Delta,
Yeah,
Lima,
but you don't
maintain
got the
170
river.
knots.
Is that the Chattahoochee River?
That's a hoochie. That's a coochie.
I believe that's Kennesaw over there.
Kennesaw?
Yeah, but we're flying.
Yeah, that's
I
kind
want to get out of their path.
That's Dobbins, right?
There you go.
Oh.
Dobbins, Kennesaw. Oh yeah, I know
Number 8
right
Delta,
there.
Lima, turn right, heading 180, descend to maintain 3,000.
180 and 3,000,
In
definitely.
Arizona.
I'm glad it's smoother up here.
I could.
I can't really hear y'all. But that's okay.
Can't?
I
Link
can.
168, running.
That's fine.
Alright.
Number 8 Delta, Lima, turn right, heading 240.
Right, 240, Delta Lima.
Want to try it?
Number 1
Sure.
Golf Hotel, descend to maintain
Your
3,000.
airplane.
I play.
3,000, 681 Gulf Hotel.
I maintain.
Departure 7 Julie Golf 3,000 runway heading.
7 Juliet Golf, line of departure, ident, maintain 3,000, traffic 10 o'clock, 2 miles westbound, 3,700 indicated, it's a Cessna.
Maintain 3,000, 7 Julie Golf.
7 Juliet Golf, radar contact, 3 miles northeast of Peachtree, turn left heading 270, higher when we get past them.
Left heading 270, 7 Julie Golf.
Number 8 Delta Lima, the airport's 2 o'clock, 7 miles.
Inside Delta Lima.
Number 8 Delta Lima, turn right heading 260, clear visual approach, runway 3 right.
Oh, this feels so weird.
It does because
like
you're
a
so
fighter jet.
yeah.
And I'm sitting on this
Number 1
side.
Golf
Yeah,
Hotel, reduce
sorry.
to 160.
No, you're good.
160, 681 Gulf Hotel.
And what type of avionics do you have in the?
Number 8 Delta Lima, contact Peachtree.
Nothing
Tower,
Garmin,
120.9.
no screens.
120.9.
Yeah, all of your
All
stuff
steam,
is right
yep.
here.
Number 7
So
Juliet
we're
Golf,
flying
traffic
over
back,
Roswell
maintain
right now.
6,000.
Yep.
Climb and maintain 6,000, 7 Julie Golf.
You're playing, you got it.
Alright, my airplane. Alright, we'll fly towards Kennesaw.
Yep.
1 Golf Hotel, you follow Hawker, 12 o'clock, 5 miles, 3,000 inbound.
1 Gulf Hotel, searching. We have the field in sight.
So wait, Zachy, you fly as well?
1
Yeah.
Golf Hotel,
Yeah?
traffic,
I'm still training though.
Oh,
after 11
yeah,
o'clock,
that's
a mile
exciting.
southbound, 2,000
Yeah.
indicated.
So what do you want to do? This is me being nosy. I'm a mom, sorry.
No, you're good. I'm trying to major in aerospace in college, but not sure if I want to keep flying as like a permanent thing, but maybe it's a hobby.
Okay, sounds fun.
Yep.
If nothing else works out, you can be a pilot.
Yeah.
There you go.
Wonder if that's Lake Lanier.
That's Lake Allatoona, I think.
Oh, it's okay.
Yeah.
That's another thing because most of my flight are not local.
Yeah, they're going the other way usually, right?
Yeah, I'm usually south or northeast.
Yeah.
And I'm out of here. So I still need to learn some of the landscapes out here. Departure, good afternoon, November 661, my golf request.
Last call, I believe it was 6-4 Mike Golf calling.
That is 661 my golf. Good afternoon.
661 Mike Golf, Atlanta approach, how can I help?
Just like to request flight following to Gwinnett County Airport. I'm right over Dubbin at 4,500.
661 Mike Golf for flight following to Gwinnett, squawk 0125.
0125 for one my golf, thank you.
He's a lot nicer.
A lot nicer. That's what we want.
Yep.
But that wasn't so hard.
I know, it's just people are...
Oh yeah.
November 1 Mike Golf, radar contact 1 mile southwest of Dobbins, altimeter is 3027. What's your aircraft type?
3027, experimental sling PSI, one my golf.
51 Lima Alpha, radar contact 4 miles northeast of Peachtree. Atlanta altimeter 3026. Turn left heading 270.
270, 1 Lima Alpha, 3026.
November 1 Mike Golf, turn right, direct Gwinnett.
Right, direct to the Gwinnett County, one my golf.
1 Mike Golf, maintain VFR 4,500 until advised.
Roger, 4,500 for one my golf. Boy, he is tight.
Flight set 431, it does. Clear visual approach, runway 26, contact Fulton County Tower, good day. Gamma Jet 868, turn left heading 170, climb and maintain 6,000.
Oh wow.
Turn 170 and up to 7,000, Gamma Jet 868.
Gamma Jet 868, the altitude 6,000.
Sorry about 6,000, Gamma Jet 868.
Flex Jet 431, there's traffic, 12 to 1 o'clock, 2 miles eastbound, 2,800 indicated. Gamma Jet 868, turn left, heading 145, climb and maintain 9,000.
145 on the heading,
We're gonna have
9,000,
to go around.
Gamma Jet 868.
Guys,
Gamma Jet 870, turn left, heading 320.
Left turn
get the
320.
weather.
Visibility 10. Sky clear.
1 Mike Golf, traffic 2 o'clock in a mile, westbound, Cessna 3,800, lower shortly.
Looking one my golf. And one my golf, we have our airport in sight.
November 1 Golf Tango, that traffic's no factor. Descend and maintain VFR rider below 3,000.
Actual below 3,000, 161 Golf Tango.
Do you see him? Should be right at our like 2 o'clock or 3
Yeah.
o'clock.
Not yet.
Number 6 Uniform Delta, contact approach 119.8. Good day, Keith.
119.8, appreciate the good word, we'll see you. Or 6 Uniform Delta, 119.8.
Number 785 Uniform 10 north, tell you what, 5 north of the field for runway 25.
I'm gonna bust a
5
U.
north for 255,
Yep.
or 35 Uniform.
Start coming down because I see traffic. I always use those, I think that's Walmart, I can't tell.
Oh.
But I always use them as like my visual
Yeah.
for what the best place to turn. So right when I get there,
Yeah,
I still
they
need
just
to, I
turn
still need to
tunnel.
come
661
back.
Mike Golf, your traffic here following is on a right base to final, half mile from the runway, runway 25 clear to land number 2.
25 clear to land number 2 on my golf.
7835 Uniform, continue that right base, you're looking for experimental midfield right downwind this time.
Alright, continue looking for the experimental 35 Uniform.
Number 3 Lima Delta heading 310, contact Atlanta departure, have a good day.
310, then,
We got him in sight.
Delta.
We'll make our base turn shortly. Turn base.
Gwinnett Tower, Cessna 5514 Lima, 10 miles to the northwest with information Bravo, full stop.
5514 Lima, we got tower 10 miles northwest, reported right downwind for runway 25.
Reported right downwind to runway 25, 14
Let's
Lima.
slow her down.
Tower
And
35
this is where my,
7835 Uniform Roger, runway 25 clear to land number 2.
Number 225, clear to land 35 Uniform.
500.
thank you. So high. Shit.
What?
Freaking birds. Yeah, you don't want to hit those stands, especially on the way down. Sorry, didn't mean to scare y'all.
I'm not scared.
I get concerned when the pilot curses. Yes, I do.
Sorry. I'm used to flying by myself.
Oh, I see that.
997 Mike Charlie, currently number 3 for the runway. Look for traffic on our right base. Continue that downwind.
Get down.
5203, we're not there, hold short runway 25.
Holding short, 54203.
Wow.
Turn 1 Mike Golf, which parking?
To the north hangars, one might go.
Turn 1 Mike Golf, Roger, turn right at Delta, taxi Delta Tango ramp, on the ground, have a good day.
Right on Delta. We'll monitor ground, one might go.
So 7 Mike Charlie, did you copy your traffic?
Alright, we are down, safe. Sorry that got a little hectic up there.
7 Mike Charlie is traffic in sight.
7 Mike Charlie, Roger, follow the traffic, clear touch and go number 2, continue the left pattern.
Clear touch and go number 2. 7 Mike Charlie, left traffic.
Are we okay back there?
Oh, yeah.
Are we still good?
This was amazing. Thank you.
Okay, good. I'm glad I didn't scare you too much.
Captain Michael and Co-Captain Zachy over here.
Alright, we are home sweet home. That was an interesting flight.
Was it?
Yeah. I mean, I definitely...
Going at Tower Archer.
I learned a little bit today of just
Alpha, holding short of runway 25,
landscape.
Ready for takeoff.
But
24 Alpha, Roger, hold short runway 25, number 2 for departure.
I also got to spin with the rude.
For departure.